If your parents or someone in your family has a timeshare, you need to keep watching, because I'm going to talk about how it can affect you, and this gets really crazy. A timeshare is a lifetime liability. So what this means is, when they signed the contract, they signed it for life, and there's only a few ways you can get out of it. Let me give you an example. If my mom had a timeshare and she passed away, the timeshare would go on to me, and you would think, oh my gosh, I just got a free timeshare. Wrong. What you don't know is that your family is paying maintenance fees every single year. And those maintenance fees increase and can increase. So now you're in a lifetime of debt. And you just inherited their timeshare. And when you're getting a timeshare, they don't always tell you this stuff, but you have to read the fine print in the contract. And if you don't want this to happen to you, I have lots of videos on how to get out of a timeshare contract, but the most recommended way is using a consumer defense firm that will legally get you out. If you have any questions about this, please comment them down below and I'll have one of our experts answer it for you for free.